Hey everyone, this is VTubing, and today I just went to the store and bought this Rubik's mini cube. It looks really fun. Let's open this thing up. Why do they need such a giant package for a tiny cube? How are you even supposed to open this thing? Oh, okay. I see. Okay. Okay. Oh, thanks. Oh my gosh, that turns terribly though. Whoa. How are you even supposed to manipulate this cube? Well, I just want to scramble it. Scramble it up, kind of. This does not remind me of the actual Rubik's Cube. Right? Okay, I think that's a pretty good scramble. And now we'll solve it. I don't know, it's just hard to turn. And it's super tiny. Gosh. How do I even solve this thing? Three more moves. 1, 2, 3. That was the most painful thing I've ever had to do. Oh man, those stickers are badly placed. If only this thing was stickerless. Look at my nails. They're disgusting. My nails. So that is the Rubik's Mini 3x3. I don't think I will ever show this cube ever on my channel. Only in my cube collections. And definitely not in my mains. Because my mains are going to turn like 20 times better. And this is not going to be used for OH. Even though OH one-handed is better with smaller cubes. This one just, you know what I mean, it doesn't corner cut. If it corner cuts, it pops, and the pieces are gonna go flying all the way over there. I don't know where. So that's it for the Rubik's Mini 3x3. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.